Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating retrospective on software development, looking at how one developer's opinions have evolved over a decade. It's a real treat for anyone in the field. Get ready!
A decade's worth of experience, huh? That's a goldmine of insights. I'm particularly interested in the shifts in perspective. What were some of the biggest changes?
Absolutely. One major shift is his view on simplicity. Initially, he thought simple code came naturally, but now he realizes it requires constant effort. It's not a given. It's a goal you actively pursue. That's a powerful realization.
I see. So it's not just about writing concise code, but about maintaining that simplicity over time. That makes perfect sense, especially as projects grow. What else changed?
Well, he used to take pride in managing complexity, but now he sees it differently. He now believes there's no glory in wrestling with overly intricate systems. Clean, maintainable code is the real win. He also had a complete turnaround on typed languages, now seeing them as essential for teams with varying experience levels.
That's a common sentiment, I think. The safety net that types provide is invaluable, especially in larger teams. What about his opinions on specific technologies? Did those evolve?
Oh, absolutely. He's become a big fan of Java, surprisingly, because of its predictability. He calls it boring, but in a good way. It's reliable and consistent. And his opinion on DynamoDB is a roller coaster. He initially liked it, but now thinks it's a terrible choice for general application development. It's all about the right tool for the job, right?
That's a great point about DynamoDB. It's powerful, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What about his views on software development methodologies? Did those change?
Yes. He now emphasizes communication as the cornerstone of engineering. He also stresses the importance of giving junior developers space to learn and make mistakes. And he's become a firm believer in the power of good management, something he hadn't experienced much earlier in his career. A really insightful point there.
That's crucial. Mentorship and fostering a learning environment are key to team growth. Any other significant shifts in his thinking?
Yes. He's become a staunch opponent of ORMs, advocating for writing SQL directly. He also believes that most abstractions in general application development are unnecessary. He's even changed his mind on functional programming, now believing that the problem isn't the paradigm itself, but the programmers who use it. A bit controversial, perhaps?
Interesting. That's a bold statement about functional programmers. But I can see his point about ORMs. Sometimes, direct SQL is just more efficient and transparent. What about some of the things he hasn't changed his mind on?
He's still unconvinced about the value of code coverage and remains skeptical of microservices, believing that monoliths are often a better choice. He also thinks that most projects don't need to scale to the extent that's often assumed. And he still thinks that people who obsess over code style are a bit eccentric. He's sticking to his guns on that one.
Haha, I can relate to that last point. It's good to see some consistent opinions amidst all the evolution. This retrospective is a great reminder that our perspectives in software development are constantly evolving. It's a field that demands continuous learning and adaptation.
Exactly. It's a dynamic field, and this article provides a valuable glimpse into that evolution. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into a decade of software development insights. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.